Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. SoFi Technologies reported its latest quarterly earnings on Monday. Revenues were better than expected. First quarter 2024 revenue was $645 million, up 37% year-over-year and beating estimates of $556 million. Achieved net profit of $88 million. Significantly exceeding the expected $18.83 million. Basic earnings per share were 8 cents and diluted earnings per share were 2 cents, with basic earnings per share meeting expectations of 1 cent and diluted earnings per share beating expectations on an adjusted basis. However, the company's second quarter forecast missed analysts' expectations, causing its shares to close down more than 10%. We see on the daily chart that SoFi Technologies shares have fallen back to where they were at the close on April 16th. But there's not a lot of volume here. We see from the 10-minute chart that the stock's trading volume is mainly concentrated in the morning. There was heavy selling from shorts at the opening. The short forces dominated the whole day, and the bulls did not pull the stock price back in late trading. Even the S&P 500 and Dow Jones closed in the green. The stock traded 149 million shares on Monday, compared with 88 million shares the previous day, a 69% increase in volume. Credit services, a sector in which SoFi Technologies belongs, fell 0.57% on Monday. Two stocks, MasterCard and Visa, dragged down the sector. MasterCard fell 1.15%. Visa fell 0.98%. Capital One Financial fell 0.49%, and American Express rose 1.39%. PayPal rose 1.56%. Stocks in the credit services sector are diverging. It is worth mentioning that two stocks, MasterCard and Visa, are in a downward trend. Both stocks had large trading volumes on April 24th, and then both stocks started a downward trend. But trading volume for both stocks was light on Monday. Looking at the daily chart, these two stocks are likely to fall back to their April 19th support levels. This affects the movement of other stocks in the sector. SoFi Technologies stock will also be affected. SoFi Technologies stock saw a net inflow of $61 million on Friday. However, Monday's sharp decline in the stock proved that this was a reverse outflow. The stock saw a net inflow of $17 million on Monday. However, the direction of funding cannot be determined at present. One needs to watch the stock's price action on Tuesday to make this money flow decision. Based on 16 analyst stock ratings for SoFi Technologies over the past 3 months. Buy ratings account for 37.5%. Hold rating accounts for 43.75%. Sell ratings account for 18.75%. SoFi Technologies has an average price target of $9.21, with a high price target of $14 and a low of $4. The S&P 500 and Dow Jones closed up 0.32% and 0.38%, respectively, on Monday. Technology and financial sectors dragged down the index. Looking at the 10-minute chart, there were short sellers suppressing the stock price around 3 p.m. But fortunately, the technology and financial sectors pulled the stock price back at the last minute. The trading volume of the two indexes is not large. 2.35 billion and 346 million shares were traded respectively. The week ahead is going to be a busy one. Federal Reserve policymakers will hold a 2-day policy meeting on Tuesday. The Fed is widely expected to keep interest rates steady. The busiest week for corporate earnings continues. Amazon and Apple will report quarterly results on Tuesday and Thursday, respectively. Additionally, on Tuesday, McDonald's, Coca-Cola, Restaurant Brands, Eli Lilly and PayPal will report results before the market opens. AMD, Pinterest, Supermicro and Starbucks will report results after the close. Additionally, The April jobs report is expected to be released this weekend. So at this time, the market is full of uncertainty. Industries and individual stocks may remain divergent this week. The S&P 500 and Dow Jones indexes are likely to fluctuate around this level. For SoFi Technologies stock, finding a strong support level is key. The April 16th position does not look like a strong support level. There's not a lot of volume here. If the credit services sector performs poorly this week, the stock could continue to fall. We give two support positions. Support level 1 is $6.92. Support position 2 is $6.71. Whether it can fall below this level is the key to the rebound. That's it. This is my analysis. If you have different ideas, please leave a message below. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up and click the subscribe button. See you in the next video.